Hi, my name's Jacob Mayfield. We're out here in Buckeye, Arizona, and we're in an onion transplant field. So that's what we are harvesting today. Um, so we specialize in growing onion transplants. We grow all different kinds of onions, transplants for all different parts of the country. So reds, whites, yellows, sweets. And what an onion transplant is pretty much a start, an onion start. So they're about pencil size, and that's what they look like coming out of the ground here. We bundle them into bundles like this, and we put them in crates and then ship them all across the country. And so what it does is these plants, they'll go back into the ground and then they'll grow to full-size onions. The reason people need that in other places is because it's cold and there's lots of inclement weather, and onions can be a hard crop to grow. So an onion transplant helps them get a start to that, and then also gives them earliness to certain markets around the country to be able to get their onions sooner to market rather than a seed. These are seed onions that we have that we grow here. So whenever we plant onions, I mean, we got to have a seed, and the seed comes from somewhere. So we plant these from seed, let them go for an extended period of time, and then what they call go to seed, shoots a bolt out the middle of the onion. This is like a regular onion, and then we call this a bolter. Bolts up and then shoots a seed stem, and then these flowers is what creates the seed. So we have bees in here, and then once the bees pollinate, these little flowers make seed, and we don't have any black seed yet, but we will. And what happens is we come in here with a swather, swath them, throw all this stuff up into a big windrow, and then come in with a pickup header combine and combine it. And this is a seed that we'll use to ship all around the country and even to foreign countries to plant to have onions that you would see on your table or at a store.
Farm workers gather 80 transplants in a bundle. There are 5,000 transplants in a box. A pallet holds 45 boxes. A truck takes 1,300 pallets. That is a lot of transplants. Some of the farmers Jake grows for are all the way in New York. Jake uses H2A workers to hand harvest the onion transplants. These workers live in other countries, but come here temporarily to fill this agricultural job. These individuals have been coming back to work on this farm for years. In fact, they are so good at their job, they can pick up 2 handfuls of onion transplants and get exactly 40 in each hand.
Did you know that we apply sunscreen to onions just like you apply sunscreen to your skin? When you have hot days in Arizona with 100 degrees, onions need to be protected from the sun, and so we use a calcium-based product to put on our onions that helps protect them from the sun.